Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh, and a very good day to all of you. To you, new Form 6 students of batch 2022, I am here to welcome you to Maktab Sultan Abu Bakar, also known as English College. So I'm here today to share with you about Mathematics T subject. So this is one of the subject that is offered to science stream students. Okay, so we shall begin now. My name is Puan Nuraino binti Rahim, and I'm the head of Mathematics T panel in EC. So together with me, we have Puan U Chun Hyang, Puan Lim Chisu, and Puan Nazira Sukri. So science stream classes, there are 4 science classes, and therefore we have 4 mathematics teacher. Okay, so each one will be teaching one class. Alright, so mathematics T syllabus is designed to provide a framework for a pre-university course. So we hope that this will help you to develop mathematical understanding, can help you in mathematical thinking, so that we can acquire skill and problem solving, and you guys can solve mathematics, science and technology application of mathematics and related to science and technology. Okay, so this is our hope, and the syllabus is designed in this way. So now we are talking about how many papers that you will have to sit. So altogether we have 4 different papers. So we have 3 semester. So one semester you will have to sit for one paper lah for each semester. I'm sorry, I'm rephrasing the sentence again, alright? So now you are in EC starting from July. So usually after 5 or 6 months, that will consider as a semester, one semester, right? So in July until might be December, let's say December, we also don't know. But based from previous years, usually December will be we'll be having a semester 1 examination. All right, so you will have to sit for that paper. So the paper named 954/1 means that mathematics also 954 is our mathematics code, /1 meaning that that is the first paper lah, paper 1, right? So in semester 2, usually we start January 2022, let's say until May or June. All right, and you sit for paper 2. So 954/2 in paper 2 examination for the second paper lah, and the third paper is in semester 3, let's say from July and then until December of 2022, right? So altogether we have 3 written tests that you will have to sit. This is compulsory. You cannot absent one of the paper, not at all, right? So we have one more paper, which is paper 4. So paper 4 is about coursework. So you have 3 coursework. One coursework will be taken in each semester lah, okay, respectively. So meaning that, let's talk about this semester. You starting from July until December, let's say. So at the end of semester, which is might be December, okay, you have to sit one examination. But before that, when we finish our syllabus, after this I will talk about our syllabus, right? So after we finish the syllabus, we will have to do coursework, and coursework is internal assessment, meaning that your respective teacher will mark your coursework. All right, so this will be further discussed after this. So now I'm talking about the syllabus. Okay, so for the first semester, we have a theme. Okay, mathematics, because we have 3 semester, we have 3 different themes. So the first theme is about algebra and geometry. So in this semester, you will have to finish study 6 topics, that is functions, sequence and series, matrices, complex numbers, analytic geometric, and lastly is vectors. So among these six chapters, only complex number that is very new to you. Okay, very new, and all of these chapters, chapter 1, 2, 3, 5, and 6, actually you already study during your SPM level. Okay, so do not worry for the first semester. We just we go there. We see when we go there. All right. So next, this is for semester 2. So the topic that will be covered is limits. This one is a new topic for you. Differentiation, integration, differential equation is a new topic for you, as well as Maclaurin series and numerical methods. Okay, so in semester 2, only two chapters that are familiar to you. Okay, that is differentiation and integration. But not to worry. Okay, not to worry at all. That's why we have to study, isn't it? So we go to the third semester. Oh, I forgot to mention about the second semester. The theme is calculus. So that's why we have this, all the integration and differentiation together in one semester, right? So the third semester is about statistics. The theme is statistics, and the topics that will be covered includes data description, probability, probability distributions, sampling and estimation, hypothesis testing, and lastly chi-square test. Right? I can say maybe two chapters that are you might find it you already studied lah. Including data description, probability, and probability distribution. So the new three new topics to you: sampling, hypothesis testing, and also chi-square test. All right. So not to worry at all. I can say this not to worry at all, but actually, is accordingly to the level lah. Okay. Now you are not SPM level anymore. So you have set higher expectation. Okay, for every topics that will be covered later on. All right. Okay, so let's go to paper 4. For paper 4, coursework. So for every semester, every student is compulsory to finish to submit coursework for every semester. Okay, so let's talk about semester 1. So the topic for the coursework is actually a surprise for you. We only know when we have the question paper later on. But for now, we also don't know. But I can say is the topic must be covered from your chapter 1 until chapter 6. Okay, we know when we have the question paper later on. So for every semester, every students who are taking Mathematics T subject, you are compulsory. You need to sit for examination. Okay, so paper 1, paper 2, paper 3, and so every semester you must complete your coursework. Okay, you cannot say, oh teacher, I cannot submit because no, I don't want to hear any excuses. Every student must complete your coursework. All right, so is that understand? Now this is the scheme of assessment. So this one I already said just now, meaning that we have written tests. Okay, paper 1, paper 2, or paper 3. So these are all written tests. You have to sit for every semester. So every paper we have two sections. So section A, we will have 6 different questions of a variable of marks given, marks allocated, but all total or sum up to 45 marks. 45 marks for section A, and we have section B. They give us 2 questions and we need to only answer 1. So 1 question that will worth about 15 marks. So together 45 and 15, we will have 60 marks. So this 60 mark is the weightage is 26.67%. What does that mean? Meaning that if you sit for semester 1, you already have 26.67% of your total score for Mathematics T. Okay, and another semester 2 is another 26.67, and then semester 3 also. So which if you sum up almost 80%. Okay, so there are 20% more. So that is where coursework. Okay, so that is the marks for coursework, 20%. So but this 20% come from the three different coursework from the three different semester. Okay, so for coursework we have a total of 60 marks. That's why you have here 180 marks, but the weightage is 20%. Okay, so in short, for your written test you have about 80% marks, and for your coursework, the three coursework, they will sum up to the 20%. Together we have a whole 100% for your mathematics T subject. Okay, so that's very clear. And I tell you that the coursework is assessment by your respective subject teacher. All right. So this I just want to show to you, maybe not very clear, I don't know. This is actual STPM paper. Okay, so you can see on the left side here is section A. We have 6 different questions with the variety of marks allocated for each one, but all total up to 45 marks. Okay, and for the second, on the right side, you see we have 2 different questions and just pick one only. You just have to answer one question. All right. So next page, what do we have? Right. Now you are looking at example of coursework. So this one is a manual for mathematics T coursework. This one will be given to every student before we start our coursework, right? So here on the right side, this is the cover for the assignment that you will receive. Okay, so this one is previous year, so it's okay for me to show to you guys. All right, so on the left side here is a past year question. Oh, every year is not the same, so it's no need to be afraid that this will coming out. No, it's not like that. So as I said before, the topics will be taken randomly. We don't know. We also don't know which one they will choose for a coursework question. All right. So on the right side is the important thing. You see here, mathematics T coursework assessment criteria. This will be explained later, very detailed by your own subject teacher. Okay, so now just I want to mention that the total marks for one semester for coursework for that semester is 60 marks. Okay, so these are the example my previous students when they hand in the coursework. Okay, I feel it's better for making some cover, almost equal like this. Okay. Right. This one is an important one. I want to talk about the electronic calculator that every student must have, because you have to have this calculator. So during SPM level also you already purchased your calculator lah. Okay, but if I want you to switch. If you do not have this version, I think it is helpful. This one. I think the right one is the previous version. The black one on the left side is the latest version. So this one will cater until for matrices. I think 5x5 matrix. On the left side, on the right side here is only for 3x3 matrices. That's the different. So if whenever you have the left one or the right one is okay with me. All right. And one more thing, the difference is the display is clear to us. If you have the older version, you will see the display is not really. Actually, the answer is just the same. If you press the calculator correctly, of course the answer will come out correctly lah, right? But the display that we want, right? Okay, now I would like to talk about reference book. So actually we do not have a certain textbook to be used. Okay, this is just a reference book. If you buy maybe you buy this one, it's okay, fine by me. Okay. If not, but you have to, I encourage you to have at least one reference book lah, or just one reference book. Okay, so this is what I'm using for semester 1. Can you see clearly? This is Ace Ahead by Oxford Fajar. Okay, this one I'll be using this one for semester 1. Next for semester 2 also by Oxford Fajar. You just make sure for the version So I'm not sure this one is the how many edition. This like mine here is second edition. Maybe they have the new this one. This one for the semester 1 they have the latest the edition. The color is orange color. So you can look it up lah, or you can ask your seniors about that. Okay, maybe they want to let go their books. I don't know. You have to try. And this one is for me is a compulsory lah. If you want to buy it yourself, is fine by me. But school also have this book, but we can give you to I can borrow to you lah whenever we want to use at class because I have like I don't remember, maybe 30 set of it. Okay, so maybe more. So if you want to buy it yourself, fine. Okay, if not, you can always find me and borrow. Okay. So now is we have a pandemic now. Is PDPR time, but whenever we come back to school later on, I want you to prepare this for our subject. Each student must have one file. So actually your the koperasi teacher will have to ready for you. Right? You just go there and buy lah. Okay. During when we return back to school, not now. Now is PDPR. I know, I understand. PDPR is so meaning that you just stand by your paper, your pen, your calculator, and come to your teacher's lesson. Please do so. All right. So this is students' file should consist of, okay, I would like my students to have all of this. The index page where you have a date, a chapter ataupun topic that is covered for that day, that particular day, and your homework. And this one will help you to track all your works lah. Okay, so I'm very hope my students will do all of this. Okay. This one just a random, my previous students. Okay, please do your work using pen. This is not I don't know, I don't like to see your using pencil. It's very hard for me to read. Okay, I don't want my power to increase furthermore, so please use pen and your handwritten so carefully lah, write your handwritten very nicely. Okay, these are all the why mathematics are important. Okay, so as you know, you after Form 6, you're going to university level and so on and so forth. So these are just, I thought it might be fine for you guys to know from now. Okay, so mathematics have in actuarial science, statistic, academia meaning, academia I put 2. Oh my god, sorry about that. So meaning that you can further for research team, or you maybe become a maths teacher like me. But I urge you to further study lah. Okay, furthermore, become more than, okay, so we have professional schools. This one might be a researcher or doctor. Okay, so these are why you need to study maths. Okay, we have finance and operation research, and so on and so forth. All right, so I think that's a wrap. That is all that I want to share with you guys. So from Mathematics T panel, we hope that you guys can give full cooperation during this pandemic time. So be prepared before your classes. You will receive your timetable. All right. So please be prepared from early. So before your class, make sure you have all things that you need. About the textbook, if you can find, ask your friend, ask your senior. Okay, or if not, then it's okay. So maybe maybe the teachers will prepare to you guys a notes that will help to guide you all. Okay, so be present for every lesson. Mm, just give full commitment because it's very hard for us. Okay, both of us, for you, for the teachers. So everybody must contribute so that our lesson is a successful lesson. You understand, and teacher also easy to deliver lesson to you guys. All right. So I think that's all, and I'm looking forward to meet you all. Thank you.